Okay, so let's just continue with the video solutions to algebra or basic algebra assessment 1, type 1, and we are now in number 6. In number 6, you have to express a fraction in simplest form. And I have given you two problems to work on. The first one is x over 3 plus x over 4. Now, when working with fractions in algebra, you still use the ideas you have learned in arithmetic. Okay, meaning how you added fractions before when you were in grade school. That's basically the idea, and the same idea on how to add, subtract, or multiply or divide fractions. Okay, so looking at letter A, we're adding fractions in which the denominators are not the same. So going back to the addition of fractions, what we can do is we look for the LCD. And the LCD for these fractions will be 12. Okay, so if we rewrite the fractions in using 12 as a denominator, so note that the numerator x will change. So if 3 becomes 4, 3 becomes 12, that means we have to multiply it by 4. So x becomes 4x. If we change 4 into 12, that means you multiply it by 3, so the x on the numerator will be multiplied by 3 as well. So that's 3x. So adding them, so 4x over 12 plus 3x over 12, since they have the same denominators now, we simply add 4x and 3x, and this will be 7x over 12. Okay, so by the way, some people will do it this way. Once you have the denominators 12, you divide it by 3, so 12 divided by 3 is 4, and then times x, you get 4x. 12 divided by 4 is 3, times x, then you get 3x. Okay, so that's one way. Okay, let's work on letter B. In letter B, you have 5 and 10 as the denominator, so we choose 10 as the LCD. And then 10 by 5 is 2, so the p minus q will be multiplied by 2. 10 by 10 is 1, so the p plus 2q will remain as p plus 2q. Then from here, you have 10, the LCD, 2 times p minus q, and then plus p plus 2q. And then what you have here is you distribute 2 to p and minus q. That's 2p minus 2q. And then you can now remove the parentheses for p plus 2q. So over 10. And then continue simplifying. So this will be 2p and p. So look at the like terms. So 2p plus p is 3p. Minus 2q plus 2q, they're exactly opposite. So they will be 0. Okay. So that's plus 0. And then over 10. And then 3p plus 0 is basically 3p. So you have 3p over 10 as your final answer. Okay, so that's how you add fractions in algebra. Okay, so the same idea with the fractions or adding or subtracting fractions in grade school. Okay, so that's for number 6. I'll make another video for number 7, 8, and 9.